What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. When I talk about XRP, I think that any level that we've been at has been a great buying opportunity. I feel like XRP hasn't broken out like everything else. We've seen things that have hit 100, 200, 500% gains, 1,000% gains in this run from an $800 billion market cap overall to a $2.75 billion market cap when it comes to Bitcoin, Ethereum, everything in the market, right? So we've seen so many things that have run, but XRP hasn't really made that move. Now, why is that? Some people will say that XRP is dead. Some people will say XRP just never was meant to, move that way. It's not that guy, right? You're not that guy. It makes me think of that. You're not that guy, pal. You're not that guy. Exactly. Like they are not that guy, right? They don't see that level of movement. That's what people think. And that it's dead and that it's done and that there's no type of life that's in it. Understand that this sees billions of dollars, like over $30 billion per month in volume at minimum, right? We see so much action and so much traction, so many people that are talking about it on Twitter, on YouTube, on various social media platforms, and also within their own community, right? You see so much conversation. XRP is a phenomenal play. I believe it's a phenomenal play. Now, again, I don't want anything to be financial advice. I don't want you to say that, oh, well, Matt said that this is a great time to buy and I was going to, buy today and sell tomorrow and I expected to see this run. I'm thinking long term. I'm thinking more on the realm of like a year to 2 years to 5 to 10 years, depending on what your exit strategy is. Understand my exit strategy is based on price. It's not based on years, it's based on price. So as I see certain prices that are hit, that's when I'm selling. Whether that's a year from now, whether that's 2 years from now, 5 years from now, 10 years from now, 20 years from now, that's when I will decide to make that move. So XRP is a phenomenal play for me. I hold quite a bit of it. Now, I want to talk about why I believe right now is a great time to buy XRP within this video. It's simple, and you're probably going to be like, well, maybe I didn't need to watch that video in order to understand that, but I just wanted to talk about XRP. So if you don't want to hear what I think about XRP, if you just wanted to put something down in the comment section, by this time, you should probably be out of here. You probably just wanted to click on the video to go, nope, and then, leave. So thank you for contributing to the algorithm. I appreciate that. But let's go ahead and get into this, guys. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links that are down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter, follow me on Patreon, those links are in the description. And if you want to do what I'm doing, where I'm gathering more XRP by trading or leverage trading XRP, feel free to use my link from Margex down below. I've been doing it by trading XRP. So I would leverage my XRP for a trade in XRP, as well as leveraging my XRP for so many other trades, making me a decent amount in the end. And as we see the bull market truly flourish, I expect to see so much that I can gain in XRP and then see that top off because XRP is not seeing the same level of movement as everything else. So anyways, why are we not seeing XRP move? The reason why we're not seeing XRP move is because of the uncertainty. There was always uncertainty with this case, SEC versus Ripple, and not knowing if XRP is going to be labeled as a security. Also, as XRP was labeled as not a security, it's still the thought process is like, if Ripple gets sued and there's some sort of issue that's there and they have to pay all of these fines and aren't able to act as they do now, then maybe you won't have the implementation of XRP within all of their payment options. And that may be something that's scaring people and, basically saying, no, I'm not going to get into that play. But it's mainly around the case. It's all about the case. And this has been going on for, I don't even know at this point. It has to be like 4 years at this point. It's a long time. It seems like it's all blending together, but it's been a very, very long time that this has happened. So that's the reason why we're not seeing XRP move and why people think that, it's dead and all of that stuff. But the saving grace is the fact that with this not really moving as much and staying around the 58 cent level, 60 cent level, 70 cent level when it should be way higher than that, means that it now gives you a buying opportunity every day that you look at it. And while it is at a good price at 58 cents, while it is at a good price, you still understand that 60 cents, 64 cents, 70 cents is still a good buying price because there's so much room for growth above it and so many things that are going to happen with it. So that's why I look at it and I go, it's a great buying price. It's a phenomenal buying price now, but it's a great buying price no matter when we decide to look at it throughout this bull market, right? Unless we see the conclusion of that case, which honestly should be coming up soon. Seems like anytime we get any information on the case, it's always leading to an extension or continuance or some sort of extra time added on it. I think May is like the last date for something, and I for some reason can't remember. I'm drawing a blank, but we're always seeing some sort of an extension. But where we're seeing this now is a $32 billion market cap. It has $2.3 billion worth of volume. If you think that something that has $2.3 billion worth of volume is a dead project, that's crazy. There are so many other projects out there that are worth multiple billions and not seeing, multiple billions of dollars worth of market cap or multiple billion dollars worth of volume. And to see that consistently, that people believe in this short term and long term. So it shows the level of popularity, it shows the level of strength. And I truly believe that it will be worth so much more. Again, this is not financial advice. I don't want anybody to take it as such. I want you to look at what I'm saying and go, all right, I see your point. Let me look into it a little bit more if you're brand new. If you're not brand new, maybe you won't ever see my point. But I believe in XRP pretty much just as much as I believe in CRO. And I've invested somewhere around, 30 to 40,000 into CRO, and I've invested somewhere around 20 something thousand into XRP, currently sitting at $21,000 here with my overall amount. I currently have 35,000. If we go over to my Coinbase, I have 35,674. So I am planning on, I was looking to just stay at 35,000, but anything that I gain over in Margex, I'm actually utilizing it and I'm just going to throw it over to Coinbase as well. And I think right now I have about $200 or $300 that's sitting over there. So I probably will add that in there, getting me up to about 36,000. And we will consistently have all of these gains and take those gains in Margex and throw them over in, Coinbase. And I don't plan on selling them until I hit my exit strategy whenever that does happen. But the good thing about all of this, like I said, as I gain money in everything that I have over here on Margex, so I'm trading. Let's see how many. I can't go into all of the other positions. I wish it would show all of them. Let me see if it'll update. Because ever since the update for Margex, I haven't been able to look at all of the positions that I've had there. I've been able to look at majority of them. So it would go down to about Dogecoin, and then sometimes it would end up loading. But I have a bunch of other positions in XRP. So I have this one in XRP, which is only 21 XRP that I put in there. There's 170 XRP, which I'm actually down on this play. But any other XRP, I do have more that's down below. So I have 116 here. I'm up $330 there. So that should get me somewhere around 300 XRP, or sorry, 600 XRP. As well as the extra XRP that I have on top of there. So the 116, so about 700, maybe 800 XRP that I can add to my overall pot over in Coinbase. And again, there's multiple other positions. I have 14 total positions. There's only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I have other positions to where I am trading XRP there, and I can gain a little bit more on top of that. Now, I may still make another trade with XRP later today, especially as the market is kind of more on the downside. But I think it's a great time. Just to conclude this video, because I can talk forever. XRP is at a great level to purchase. But honestly, even before today, it was at a great level to purchase. If it is going to be something that's held back, then you can have all your gains and everything else, and then also throw that money that you gain into now XRP. So anyways, let me know what you think about this project and where you believe it's going to go, how much you believe it's going to be worth, and just let me know all the information that you have, or whether you don't believe in it at all. Let me know your opinion, but put some facts down there. Don't just say XRP's dead. Say like I believe it's dead because of this. Take it back to writing essays in school. Like, give me some information, give me some context. Guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. And also, again, check out Margex. That link is down below. But I'm going to get out of here. I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.